Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on a school Chromebook. School-issued devices typically have strict limitations and modest hardware, making direct game installation difficult. However, cloud gaming provides an excellent workaround. This method allows you to stream the game from powerful remote servers directly to your Chromebook, bypassing local hardware constraints. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite titles without needing a high-end computer. Cloud gaming services are your best bet. Platforms like NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream Rocket League directly to your Chromebook. Another great option is Boosteroid, which also offers a wide selection of PC games. These services handle all the heavy processing on their powerful servers, sending only the video feed to your device. This means your Chromebook only needs a good internet connection, not powerful internal components. To get started, first create an account with a cloud gaming service like GeForce Now or Boosteroid. Next, ensure your internet connection is robust. A minimum speed of 15 megabits per second is recommended for smooth gameplay. While you can use a keyboard and mouse, connecting a compatible game controller will significantly enhance your Rocket League experience, providing more precise control and familiar gameplay. For the best performance, consider using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it provides a more stable and faster connection. Close any unnecessary browser tabs or background applications on your Chromebook to free up resources. Additionally, within the game settings, try lowering the graphics quality. This can reduce latency and ensure a smoother, more responsive Rocket League experience on your school Chromebook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.